Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer Stuttering, full guide 2026 so you can enjoy smoother gameplay without lag spikes or frame drops on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and go to Settings. Inside the Performance tab, adjust CPU and RAM allocation properly. For most systems, 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM help reduce stuttering and improve stability. Next, open Display Settings and lower the resolution to 1280 by 720. Higher resolution increases system load and often causes stuttering during gameplay. Now move to Graphics Settings. Select OpenGL mode first because it usually provides smoother performance. If stuttering continues, switch to DirectX and restart LDPlayer to compare results. After that, enable virtualization. Open Task Manager, go to Performance, and confirm virtualization is enabled. If it shows disabled, enable it from BIOS settings for better emulator performance. Then open Windows Graphics Settings and set LDPlayer to high performance, so your dedicated GPU runs the emulator. Before launching games, close unnecessary background applications like browsers, updates, or recording software that consume CPU and RAM. Inside your game settings, reduce graphics quality, disable shadows, and turn off extra effects to stabilize FPS. Also make sure LDPlayer and your graphics drivers are fully updated to remove bugs that may cause stuttering. Finally, restart your PC after applying these changes to refresh system performance. And that's it. LDPlayer stuttering should now be fixed, and gameplay should feel smooth again. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching.